Hello guys, welcome to the studio. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at the best of Akai MPCs to consider in 2024. Now, first thing to understand is there's a difference between the best and the people's favorite. That is, people's favorite doesn't make it the best. So the best is about the features and functionality, while favoritism comes into play due to users' preference, about maybe cost, ease of use, size, lifestyle compatibility, and a lot of other things. So we'll be taking a quick look at the top MPCs for beatmakers and producers this year, and also review the people's favorite obtained from a survey. Let's go. Akai MPC has been synonymous with beatmaking and music production for decades, influencing countless artists' soundscape. So in 2024, Akai is sure to continue to innovate with new models and or features, offering more workflow flexibility. Now, here's a look at some of the best Akai MPCs to consider if you are just joining the MPC community and you want to take your music production to the next level. The very first one will be the Akai MPC 1 Plus. Now, this compact powerhouse builds upon the MPC 1, boasting more storage, the expanded input and output, and enhanced feature like dedicated transport control. Now, it is perfect for production and on-the-go beat making. So while it might be okay to go get the 1 Plus is just almost about the same price, and it comes with more storage memory, and the Ethernet port is also there. So yeah, might be just considered the better option to go for that MPC 1 Plus. Another one to consider will be the Akai MPC X Special Edition. While this is the flagship MPC, it is designed for demanding producers. It features a large touchscreen, a plethora of pads and knobs, and a top-tier audio interface. So now this special edition, right, it includes a lot of other exclusive content and plugins and effects like that. And it's the ultimate MPC for those seeking the most advanced production experience. While also it is okay to say you can go for the X if you are unable to fit the budget of this special edition. They will basically just do the same thing. Another one to consider will be the Akai MPC Live 2. Right here, it's a standalone beast for both live performance and basically your production. It's got special features like built-in battery and a large touch screen, and also got a sound bar just on it, like a speaker. Now, you can create and perform without the computer on it, just like you do every other one, and this makes it ideal for both studio and stage setup. Another one to consider will be the MPC Key 61. So this keyboard integrated MPC expands your sonic palette, and it features a 61 key semi-weighted keyboard, and alongside classic MPC elements, which is the pads and all that, and all those cue links. Yeah, it seamlessly blends melody and beat making, so this makes it a hybrid option, and it's perfect for producers who crave both keys and pads. Those who are actually good on the keyboard, it will work pretty well for them. Now, let's also talk about the Akai MPC Studio, right? Yep. MPC Studio is a desktop MPC. It bridges the gap between that hardware and the software thing, so more like a controller, right? It offers the classic MPC workflow in a computer-based format. So once you plug it to your system, you forget the system, you focus on the studio, and you are bound to have a nice time. Then it also has like this touch-sensitive control strip, and it provides a hands-on control by the MPC 2.0 software for a seamless production experience. We will also be mentioning the Akai Force. The Akai Force, it merges the MPC beatmaking prowess with a full-fledged DAW. So it's got a large touchscreen as well, extensive control options, powerful sampler, vast sound library, and an array of effects and instruments, right here, to make it a comprehensive production powerhouse. It's also equally good for production purposes. Now, which MPC is right for you? In 2024, I would say be you and not anyone else. So it depends on your need and budget. If you're a beginner, you just want to jump into the MPC community, you want to just dabble into how it's done, I will advise you go for the MPC 1 Plus, because it offers the portable and powerful entry point. If you're a serious producer, then the MPC X Special Edition or the Force might just be ideal for you. If you crave both keys and pads with the budget to fill your craving, the MPC Key 61 is just the right choice for you. And if you prefer a desktop setup, you're already a DAW person, and with a classic MPC workflow, I think the MPC Studio is a good option for you. Hook it up and then you're good to go. However, a survey I did recently made me to realize that people are leaning greatly towards the MPC Live 2 as their favorite. So this could be a factor of, or, it could be a lot of factors that are at play here. Maybe the simple design, the portability, the fact that it's got battery and speaker, or the fact that it's just the price is just moderate any which ways. Well, the audience decided that, oh yeah, MPC Live 2 is their own favorite. It's basically what is largely used right now among all the MPC users, the Live or the Live 2, right? Those family. But no matter which MPC you choose, you are guaranteed a reasonable sound quality, intuitive workflow, and versatility. And Akai MPC is still like at the forefront of the music creation. It offers a range of productions and range of options, to suit every creative vision. So yes, there you have it, the list of the Akai MPCs that you can consider as you start your music production journey in the year 2024. Any of those options works pretty well for you. Like I said earlier, the fact that it is the people's favorite doesn't make it the best. As far as the MPC community is still concerned, the Akai MPC X is still voted the best, but then this is the people's favorite in terms of basically the usage, how many people actually have it and prefer to use it, and this is basically what we're getting as far as the survey is concerned. So go out there, get one for yourself, and start making beats. And we wish you all the best in the year 2024 and beyond. Have a great one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know which one you're using right now, or if you are new to the MPC community, let me know which one you intend to pick up right now. So let's talk about it.